subscribe.
Yeah, what is it? What is it? What is it,
Martin Zarzuela.
It's
my
what?
name. Martin Zarzuela.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a break. That's a break.
That's 4. Yep, give it up. That's gone. He ain't gonna make that.
Good, y'all. We're just here in Eagle Rock, California. Here at Highland Park. We're just gonna do some King's Court. I'm here with my young boy, my son, freshman, Reese Song, and then I'm here with my young boy, Miles O'Malley.
Lucky.
Let's see who wins this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Give me that. Fuck.
Give me that. Give me that. Come on.
That's like, bro, it's 3 dribbles, bro.
Hey, he still made the basket.
Nah,
Hey, it's 3 dribbles.
Replay.
It's 3 dribbles.
Oh.
My bad. I miscounted.
Hey.
Hey. Back my
No
ass.
fails. No
Back
fails.
my ass.
Oh shit. You make that?
Give me that shit, boy.
Yes.
Not doing that on him though. Oh, he all net. Oh shit.
Oh, I won, dog. He fouled me. He can't guard me.
That's no foul.
Run it back, run it back. Oh my god.
Dive down.
Yeah, that's a break. That's a break. Oh my mom, this boy cheese, bro.
Don't give him space.
Wait till I come back.
These are all my sons.
Wait till I come back. He on that. That's 4. Yep, give it up. That's gone. He ain't gonna make that. I'm done, bro. Get off.
Give me that
bro.
shit.
Nah, fuck, nah, get off, nigga.
He cannot guard
That
me.
don't count. That don't.
That was 3. That was 3.
Oh, I'm right here. Right here. Hand right here, though. Right here. Right here. I'm on that. Oh, you good? Yeah, that's a break, though. Mwah. Yeah.
Oh, shit. See my nose, though. Oh my gosh. What you gotta say? What you gotta say?
Come on now. It's too easy.
Man does not have.
It's 3 dribbles. Can't shoot. He can't shoot. He cannot shoot. This is my son. You cannot guard me. I told you this.
Bro, you're going nowhere. You're going nowhere.
Nah.
Ah, stop.
Oh shit.
Yeah. You got the hand on it.
You gonna let him shoot that? I about to say, we're not gonna have a repeat, bro.
Don't make nothing open.
Oh, you hear that?
Don't make
Oh, he
nothing
just got
open.
this on open layup.
Look.
You don't have.
Put one hand out and just follow him. That's 3. Yeah, that's all you need to do. Keep the hand out. He almost
He's
did that.
hacking this shit, bro.
Nah. I'm on this. It's his, it's his.
What is it? I'm starting.
Hey, subscribe.
Yeah, what is it?
Subscribe to
What
YouTube.
is it, bro? What is it, bro?
Martin Zarzuela.
It's
my
what?
name. Martin Zarzuela.
The king of air balls.
Oh, that's great. Oh, that's great.
And he missed.
Oh my god, bro.
You promised me you're gonna do one thing and you
Hey,
didn't.
this guy needs to go home, bro.
You said what?
That's why.
All right, my fault. But I'm just saying, like, I'm trying to hoop. Like, I haven't had practice in a minute, and you want me to come home to watch TV. Said what? Why are you gonna pick me up? Why not? He's brought me home every single time. It's what? Because we're in the middle of a game.
Hey, bro, so this guy got in trouble. The dad needs to pick him up. And then these guys took the damn court, so
It's 7:30 fucking 2, nigga. All homework is done. This nigga want me to go home?
we gotta cut it short. It was a good day, you know. But please like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.